Hello guys, welcome back to our YouTube channel. In this video, I will demonstrate you are getting this problem. Your selected game folder does not look like a valid GTA V installation. Just hit the close to come to back from the this error message. After that, I will provide that steps you will one by one follow to this problem prevent it. So don't waste your time. Let's get started. That step. First step, you can go to change the game name. So we can go to locate your game folder. You can go to find the locate your game folder, and if you have found like local disk C, then your games and GTFI, then here you can go to find that exe application. If you select, if you found, then select and right click, then change the name. The name is GTA 5. You will change, then hit the enter to come to back. Then if you have done, then you come to back to the file X folder. After that, you can go to open the FiveM FiveM application. Double tap to open. Then we can go to that location path. Here select GTA 5. That is only here available. Want recommended. Just only GTA 5.exe application. Just you select and hit the open to open the your game. Then your problem will be solved. And if you have any doubt, let me know. I will help you. And don't forget subscribe. Thanks for watching.